As you come home at the end of the day, imagine coming up the drive next to your 5+ acre south pasture as your horses welcome you home at Lupton Country Paradise. You pull into your circular drive and into your oversized garage, and it's time to relax and enjoy the quiet country lifestyle. Mature trees surround the beautifully kept 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with its wonderful wraparound deck. A full footprint, unfinished basement will allow you to double the home size if you need to. If horses are your thing, you'll love the 1,800 square foot 4-stall barn and tack room. With outside runs and another 2.5 acres in the north pasture, there's plenty of room to keep them happy. If toys or a small business are your thing, a newer 2,000+ square foot metal outbuilding with concrete floor, large doors, half bath, and tall walls has plenty of room. You'll even have a complete RV pad. Enjoy a chicken shed complete with chickens, a large garden area, and much more. It's hard to believe you can be this close to Denver and DIA and live like this. Call listing agent Dale Smijelski at 970-218-1438 for your private showing today.